I am Maya. They coming with Andrew. Huh? They coming with Andrew. She's up with Andrew? They coming with Andrew. Oh, okay.
Y'all, these is the only problems that I have in life. My tires is too fucking big. I just replaced my fog light, right? Because my tires is so fucking big. The tires rode the plastic off. So now I gotta cut this damn plastic off. Fuck.
The struts. I need the struts changed on her car.
Okay.
How much is it?
Both of them?
Yeah.
Would 175 be all right?
Yeah, that'll work.
No.
I'll go ahead and order them. When they come in, I'll pick them up and I'll let you know.
Okay.
All right.
Damn, this motherfucker's on there
All right.
tight.
All right. So this is what I do. If it's on there tight, man, I take a
it.
wrench, put it on there, and then you turn the wrench till it's straight. Now, push down on this.
Push down.
Mm-hmm.
They definitely screwed that motherfucker with a screw tie when they did it.
You can see how much easier it made just to have that long leverage. All right, stop.
It's gonna come out.
It's loose. Now.
We need an oil pan. It's
Yep.
gonna be hot.
All
Ain't
right, now stop. This is where I tell you, move the wrench. All right.
it? Twist it off.
Find your point. I always try to keep a little bit, keep the pan like this. Look, right behind it.
Because it's gonna flow that way.
Yeah, because it's gonna go that way in a big arch. So I try to keep my pan like from here down, and then see if it's loose. Okay, it's loose. Now scoot your ass away from it a little bit.
Ugh. All right, I got the bolt on there.
Where? I know.
You ready to make a mess?
Yeah, because of your oil filter the way it is.
I ain't got no coolant. But I'm definitely about to put something in it. And unscrew it?
Yeah.
Let me unscrew it.
It's only supposed to be hand tight. Rip it. Turn.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Yeah, there you go.
I'm not left-handed. Hold on. Let me do this. Fuck.
2 hands.
I'm short.
Are you short? It's turning.
Hell no. That motherfucker's on there tight. Yeah.
Turn it, turn it. You want to get the turn first. Get the turn first.
Nope.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh,
You squeezed it. It moved.
No, the thing is moving.
No, I saw the whole thing move when you turned.
I did it in, but it didn't turn.
Yeah, it did. There you go. Got a little motion.
A little. It's crazy. That I'm. Okay.
There you go. All right, now get your little concoction.
Oh.
There you go.
No, but I do. There is something wrong because when I gun it, number 6 cylinder misfires. But it only lasts a day. Mama be alright for right now. And then you should just put oil around here.
Mm-hmm.
I got 2 things. Doesn't really matter. All right.
Yeah, see that one's for 10,000 miles instead of normal 5. Keep twisting till it's screwed on. You ain't gotta force it, just keep twisting. It's on there. Nope. Keep spinning. There you go. Yep. Now just.
I hadn't even broke in. So yeah.
But not often.